O2 Autobahn. You walk into your living room, got a fireplace. Still got some things here I need to clean up. The walls have all been freshly painted. Ceilings have been painted. Sorry, there's the closet in here. Tile floors. Room there. Those things open up right there. This serves as the closet here. This is the other room. Open shelves. Big rooms. Here's the kitchen. Fridge. Pantry. Here. Bathroom here, still been painted. Back porch. There's the backyard. And the back bathroom.